Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in this video, we'll show you how to apply seismic loads in our model. So this is the 7th episode of G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. In the previous video, we had shown you how to apply wind loads. So if you haven't watched our previous videos, please go and have a look. So first of all, it is to be known that the parameters of the seismic load are taken as per IS 1893 and our load combination are taken as per IS 875 part 5. So let us apply seismic load in our model. So as you can see in our load, we have the option of seismic load here where we can apply our seismic loads. So we'll simply go and check our model validation and then we'll go and apply seismic load, seismic wizard, and then we'll go as per code spectra because we'll go as per IS 1893. Now as you can see, height of the highest level is already defined here. They have taken as per our models, and height number of stories also they have taken. Now we'll simply define the seismic zone. So for the seismic zone, you can check IS 1893. For Bhubaneswar, Odisha, the seismic zone is zone 3. So we'll simply assign that here. So ignore seismic in floors below structure base. So structure base is basically our plinth level. So we'll ignore seismic below the plinth level. And here we'll do zone 3. So if you want to find out what is the zone of your particular area, you can go through IS 1893 and check out your seismic zone. So we'll apply here an importance factor of 1 and then we'll do next. So before that, after checking, you can do next here and then again next. Here in the structure type, we can select RC moment resisting frame. So in both of these, we'll apply RC moment resisting frame and T approx they select automatically. And then here seismic force resisting system type in direction 1 and direction 2 will apply moment frame systems because we are dealing with frame structures. So next we have available load cases. So we'll select all these load cases which we have created. So we've selected all of them and then done next. So after that we'll just simply click on finish and then it is showing the combination generator. So in the combination generator we can create the combinations. So it's operating, we'll select and then next. Now as you can see, these are the load combinations. This WS represents the working straight method load combinations. So we don't want to select those. We want only limit state design. So we'll simply untick all the combinations using WS. Then click on next and then finish. So the load combinations of seismic load have been done and now we can apply our combination load. For that we'll go to our load, then combination, as the window has popped up, and then simply click on generate. After that we can simply change this to operating. It was already operating, so we don't need to change here. And then next, as you can see, these are the load combinations. We'll also include this load combination 1.5. So all load combinations using working straight method we need to unselect. That is a WS part. We need to unselect and then we'll click on next and then finish. So the load combinations are created. Now we'll click on OK. So now we have defined the seismic loads and also the load combinations. So as you can see, the application of seismic load and load combinations is very easy in this software. So friends, that's all for today's video, and if you want training of Tekla Structural Designer from us, you can contact 9777 46 9666. See you in the next video. Bye bye.